motocross. That's right, we are back here at it again, fresh off of Breezewood Proving Grounds. We are still sore from Breezewood, but now we're at Promised Land MX. And Easter Sunday, we're gonna see what we can do. That's Aaron.
Happy motocross Easter.
You know that guy?
Yeah, that guy behind the guy.
We got a little dry looking track today, but we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna see what I can jump today. Okay, today we have a milestone at Promised Land. I finally was able to take my hand off the bar in the air. Let's see if I capture it on camera.